Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the horn fuse is located and the horn relay as well, stay with us guys. We'll explain that in this video today, where you can find them. One of them is extremely hidden. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the horn, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban right here. Both of these vehicles guys practically are built on the same platform. The main difference, the Tahoe is a little bit shorter, so it should apply to both models. And quick reminder, there is 5 different fuse boxes hidden all over that SUV that most people do not know where they're located, but that's perfectly okay guys. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about it's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What do we guys need to do now? We need to open the hood. We got lucky today. We're working a fuse box that's easy to access. It's on the driver's side. Zoom in a little bit and we're going to see that cover. Remove it guys and you're going to find underneath a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what do we need to check specifically? Let's zoom in. First we need to talk about the fuse, where that fuse is located. It's going to be a 15 amp fuse, and the fuse that we're talking about is known as fuse number 93. Fuse 93 will be that fuse that you see right here, the first 15 amp fuse. That's the one for the horn. Now of these relays, none of these relays is for the horn. Where is the horn relay? On the bottom side of this fuse box guys, on the board of it, on the bottom side you have integrated relays that are kind of like welded. They're not serviceable. There is very limited information, but most likely the horn relay is there, because when you click the horn you can hear clicking from underneath. So the relay most likely is there. If it goes bad we have to practically professionally remove the old one, put a new one, or replace the fuse box guys. But either way, most of the times it's just a fuse that causes horn not to work. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.